Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your September the 1st to September the 30th. Taurus, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, subscribe po kayo dun sa ating kabilang channel and nagla-live din po tayo doon. That is Babaylan TV. So, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So parang sinasabi mo dito, Taurus, kailangan ko ng mga ebidensya para maniwala ako. No? Hindi ako agad yung taong nagpapabilog. I'm done with that. Nadala na ako. Sabi mo dito kay person, I've learned from the best. No? You trained me na wag maniwala basta-basta. Probably, ginawang ka ng mga pangako nito ni person, hindi naman tinutupad, or nagsisinungaling ngayon. I want evidence, di ba? Bago ko maniwala, di ba? I think that what you're doing in here is just right, because I can understand that you are protecting yourselves. And also, you want to remove the mask of your person. I believe na siguro sa haba-haba ng mga pinagsamahan ninyo ni person, parang hindi mo nakita sa kanya na, uy, meron ka palang ganyang ugali, no? Sana pinakita mo nung una para hindi kita sinagot, no? Or para hindi tayo naging tayo. Pero, since nandiyan na yan, hindi naman sa, I'm going to cut you off right off the bat, no? Let's say, bibigyan ko lang ikaw, no, ng test. And I want, prove me wrong, sabi ni Taurus, no? Prove me wrong. Kasi, iba yung perception ko sa'yo. Nag-iba. Not because of trip ko lang. Ginawa mo kasi, no? So, you made me running. Kaya, ngayon, magdusa ka with the Emperor and the Celestial Weaver. For a few numbers of you Taurus, what I am seeing in here is we are praying, we're actually asking for signs. We are planning. But somehow, let's say, gusto kitang paniwalaan. O sige, let's say, the evidence are here. Pero I am praying, no, for my decision making. All right. You're not trusting yourself when it comes to decision making as of the moment. So you're working on it. You're working on trusting yourself, but you want some guidance from above, because as of the moment there is a lot of questions in here. And one of those questions are, totoo ba ang nararamdaman ni person? No? Totoo kaya ang nararamdaman sa akin ni person? Meron kaya itong mga hidden agendas? Meron kaya itong mga sabihin nating bad intentions about me? Meron kaya itong gustong kunin sa akin, no? Seven of Cups, it may not be that person who actually made you that way. However, You probably learned from the past also with the Seven of Cups and the High Priestess. It feels like there is something here that you feel that there's something fishy and you want to probably seek for an options. It could be really a test that you want to do with the person because there's a strong feeling in here that you would love to parang i-try, no? Um, Taurus, I think that you are doing it because of if I am going to waste my time, no, kung sasayangin ko lang din ang oras ko or kung gugugol ako ng oras, sorry for the word, sasayangin. Kung gugugol ako ng oras, gusto ko sa kapaki-pakinabang, no? Hindi doon sa parang patay oras, no? Nag-aaksaya ng panahon. Ayoko ng ganon. Seven of Wands. The Judgment. Although, kahit papano, medyo napipisil-pisil natin na pwedeng totoo yung sinasabi mo. Ang taas ng wall, no? Ang taas ng trust issue ni Taurus. But it doesn't mean na hindi mo bibigyan ng chance, no? You want more proof, you want more evidence, you want for your person to provide you. Let me know, 'di ba? Let me experience it. Probably I would love to see your family. Probably I will only believe you if we or you made an effort to put this connection into another level of commitment because I am on it, no? Kung gagawin mo yan, bakit hindi? Hindi pa ba ako dito, no? However, no, up until then, tsaka kita paniniwalaan, no? So let's see here. It could be your emotion or your person's emotion. What's the point of it all? And I'm tired of running. So it felt like you are praying for this connection to be your forever, the last. Siguro ito yung sinasabi mo na sawang-sawa na rin akong mag-start uli, no? Ng eto na naman tayo. Break na naman, nakipag-break na naman ako, magsisimula na naman ako. Anong favorite color mo? Anong favorite movie mo, no? Anong favorite food mo? Ayoko na. This will be my last, no? And I'm willing to work on it. And I'm also willing, no, to probably also adjust with my person. However, no, kung igugugol ko to, no, I also want for my person na magkaroon ng decision na we are on the same page, 'di ba? Bago masayang ang lahat, no. Ngayon pa lang gusto kong malaman kung totoo yung nararamdaman ni person. So, Taurus, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Cancer, Libra, Pisces, Scorpio. Did I just say Virgo? Hold up. Leo, Cancer, Libra. No. So, Virgo, Aries. So, this is your reading, Taurus. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Ayan. Kung hindi niyo naman po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero Taurus, kilala niyo po ang inyong sarili, no? Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Um, Unang bubungad po sa inyo is yung question form. Ibaba nyo lang ng konti, nandun po yung QR codes, no? Sa QR code na yon, naka-label naman po siya, no? So please, i-check nyo po yung label. Nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1 so take advantage of it. No? Kung susumahin nyo, oo nga naman. Discounted na yung 4 questions, may libre pang isa. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun po siya, no? Sa mga QR codes. So, hanapin nyo na lang po. Kung hindi naman po kayo nagmamadali at gusto niyo sumali sa ating raffle, no, paki-report po yung mga fake accounts, take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email, and then bubunot po tayo din ng winner. Ayan. So kung hinahanap niyo po itong mga readings, ibang readings natin, especially for those exes, no, yung mga ex natin, gusto natin makimarites, i-check yung update, no, sa kanila, nasa Facebook po siya. So kung hindi nyo po mahanap sa Facebook, wala po yan dito sa YouTube, no? Especially for Facebook lang yon. Kung hindi nyo po mahanap, bumalik kayo dun sa question form, may mga icons po dun ng social media accounts or logo. Pindutin nyo po yun, i-route na kayo agad doon sa ating social media account. So Taurus, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.